Welcome to Boost Your Brain Power, Cognitive Exercises, and Mind Games. Today we're sharing 5 trend-driven brain-boosting tips to keep your mind sharp and agile, with a sprinkle of humor to keep you entertained. Let's get started. Kickstart your morning with a brain teaser. Spend a few minutes on a jigsaw puzzle or a crossword. It's like a workout for your brain without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's a great way to wake up those neurons. Struggle with remembering names? Try this fun trick. When you meet someone new, associate their name with a silly image or rhyme, like Lisa loves lasagna or Mike rides a bike. It's quirky, but it works, and you'll never forget a name again. Take a mindful eating break. Focus on the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. It's like a mini vacation for your brain and helps improve your concentration and memory. Plus, your lunch will taste even better. Feeling the afternoon slump? Download a brain training app like Lumosity or Peak. These apps are packed with fun games designed to improve memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain. End your day with some reading or storytelling. Whether it's a novel, a biography, or telling a bedtime story to your kids, engaging with stories helps enhance your imagination and cognitive function. Plus, it's a great way to relax and unwind. That's our brain-boosting guide for today. We hope these tips help you sharpen your mind and keep your cognitive functions in top shape. Share your favorite brain exercises in the comments, and let's build a community of sharp minds. Remember, keeping your brain active can be fun and rewarding. Thanks for watching Boost Your Brain Power. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more brainy tips and laughs. Brought to you by Vitazen Quest. Click the links in the description for more great content that's changing lives every day. Stay sharp, stay smart, and keep smiling.